Oh my god, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. They're both in that fucking bucket. Oh my shit. Also, can someone tell me if this is fighting or playing? They're biting each other. Okay. Okay, it's not as bad now, but yeah. There. Come on. Play again or fight or... I don't know what you're doing. Do you two want to calm down? Order in the courthouse. Is that playing or fighting or... Because I don't know. Come on, get in the bucket. Go on. Come on. Do it again for the sweet YouTube views. It's okay. Do I get in? Ooh, hello, Baba. Do I get in, Baba? Baba? Do we some of this, Baba? What are you doing? What are you doing, Baba? Oh, hello. Oh, hello, hello, hello. Oh, hello, hello, hello. You shall be safe in here, young Paddy One. Come on, I will keep you safe. Jeez, I tell you. You got it? Good job. There you go. You playing? Yeah. Aw, so cute. Two bros chilling in a bucket thing. Okay, before you start killing each other, I'm gonna let you out now. You two do not kill each other, probably. Oh my god, she's looking at it. Oh my god. They're fucking adorable. Now don't eat that, that's probably not edible. I'm just gonna... Cats in a bucket, 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 cats in a bucket. Oh Jesus fuck! Why did that scare me so much? I shouldn't have scared me that much. I don't know why. I'm a massive fat pussy. Just don't move. Don't act like a threat. I'm not a threat. Ah, really uncomfortable. Hello. Like a 5-minute cat video. You can do your thing, cat. I'm not gonna record that. Oh, okay. That's not looking there. It's giving them privacy, if you know what I mean. Yes, nice kissy. Almost 5 minutes. I'm going to go now.